Can I adjust myself? Because chiropractic is using a specific force in a specific direction, it's almost impossible to adjust yourself. Many times people do get clicking or popping sounds when they twist or turn their neck, but because of the lack of specificity, it's almost impossible to get an adjustment. Often this clicking or popping, repetitively done on a daily basis over and over again, will actually create more unstable joints and doesn't usually serve to correct that problem.